Are you encountering crashes, freezes, or difficulties launching Fortnite on your computer? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the troubleshooting steps, ensuring you can get back into the game smoothly. Let's start with Solution 1, resetting your network configuration settings. To do this, begin by searching for CMD in your Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type netsh-winzock reset and press Enter. Follow this up by typing ipconfig flushdens and hitting Enter. Then type ipconfig release followed by ipconfig renew and press Enter for each. Finally, type netsh ip reset and hit Enter. Restart your computer and see if the issue resolves. Now on to Solution 2, verifying your game files. Open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find Fortnite, and click on the three dots. Select Verify from the drop-down menu. The launcher will scan your game files for any corruption and repair them. Moving on to Solution 3, updating your graphics driver. Open Settings, click on Windows Update, and check for any available updates. If none are found, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Let Device Manager search automatically for updated drivers. Alternatively, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, download the latest driver, install it, and reboot your computer. Now for Solution 4, deleting Fortnite configuration files. Open Command Prompt, type tree and press Enter. Then search for Run, type %local app data % in the dialog box and hit Enter. Open the Fortnite game folder, navigate to the Save folder, and delete the config folder. Reboot your computer to see if the issue persists. Remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.